Hey everybody, just doing a real quick video, just finishing up this cedar box. The last one I did had a really cool effect when I urethaned it, so I thought I would share. So here we go. Let's start here. Oh yeah, it does too. Yeah, I like that. Really brings out the color. Let's do the bottom first. You're always going to find a J on the stuff I build. And if you're wondering why, it's because that's my wife's nickname. So, gives me motivation. And she's got better luck than me, so maybe it'll sell. Oh, yeah, I like that. If you're wondering what I'm using, it's just a varathane, just a normal varathane urethane, just to seal it. And so everybody knows, I absolutely do not put this on the inside, because that would defeat the purpose of the cedar protecting the feathers and or any other keepsakes you want to put in here that isn't metal, basically, that mites and that can get at. That's what the cedar does, is protect from that. So now we're going to flip it and we're going to do this. Hope y'all can still see. I'm not really, yeah, you can still see. I'll try to do this a little quicker to speed this video up a bit. There we go. Ooh, yeah. So if anybody wants to purchase any of these, I would sure appreciate it. It's a new venture for me. Something I've always done is stuff like this and woodworking and that, but never really realized I was good at it. But I think maybe I am. So I'm going to see what happens here. And that would be the dream, working on my own stuff, you know. It would be pretty sweet. And I know you're all seeing me putting my hands all over this and leaving marks in the urethane every time I do. But I always go back over it and make sure that I get rid of that. So then we can put the bottom on those. I can make sure this side is good. My marks, my handprints. And make sure I get that edge. Back we go. Yeah, I like how dull it is when it's burnt like that, and then put a little bit of urethane on it, and it pops it right out. I think it's neat. Other people might be like, whatever, man, but here we are. If you're watching it, still, you must think it's cool too. This is the first video I've ever done on anywhere. First time I've talked to people on social media via video. So be kind. I'm just a dude in his garage building cool things. That's all I do. There we go. So there you go, everybody. That's the first coat of 3 that will go on this. And this should be ready for sale sometime tomorrow afternoon. Put a coat on it now, one tonight, one in the morning, and yeah, it'll be ready tomorrow afternoon. Hope you all enjoyed that. as much as I do.